Why is my Pixel 6 Pro not fast charging? Google Pixel 6 Pro's slow battery charging issue is an intended feature. Since its launch, the Google Pixel 6 series had been plagued with a number of issues that surfaced one after another. Now, another one of these supposed issues has surfaced that affects the Pixel 6 Pro. However, this time around, it might be a feature that the company intended. Recently, a user shared his experience with the Pro model in a post, in which he asked other Pixel users if their new smartphones are also facing a bug that causes the battery to charge slow. The user said that the Pixel 6 Pro charged at a snail's pace, and he even tried restarting the device. Although, neither restarting the phone or changing chargers help. For those unaware, the Pixel 6 Pro is powered by a large 5003 mAh battery pack that supports 30 W. A feature called Adapt to be the culprit behind what the users are considering a bug. The user plugs their Pixel 6 Pro out of their chargers every day. Adaptive charging is basically to help keep the battery of the smartphone in good health. Users can disable the feature in settings, although your battery life might deteriorate in the longer run. For possible solutions to other issues, if possible, and the team could help you out. Please visit the website https://sydneycbd.repair/ for a human live chat.